In this video, I'm going to show you how to play multiplayer Minecraft completely for free. So right now, in the newest snapshot, Minecraft recently added a friends list where you're able to play multiplayer with your friends. If you're watching this video later on in the future, chances are this feature is already in the game. But for this video, we're just going to be working with the snapshot. So anyways, the first thing you want to do is you want to double check some of your settings because that's incredibly important. So go to the main menu, select on options, and then right next to this FOV slider, you're going to see a button that says online. Please go ahead and press on it, and you need to make sure that friends list is turned on, allow requests is turned on, and that allow server listings is turned on like this. Once you confirm, please go ahead and select on done, then press on done, and then afterwards you want to press on this friends button just like this. From here, please go ahead and type in your friend's username. You may need to sign into your Microsoft account one more time. So you want to type in your friend's Minecraft username, so then you just want to type it in. And then you want to press on this send friend request button. And all your friend needs to do is they need to accept the request. And in order to accept the request, they need to go to the same friends menu right here and select over here where it says request. And then your request is going to appear and they need to accept it. Afterwards, you guys will now be in each other's friend list. Now, I will be honest with you guys, sometimes this can get a little bit glitchy if you're using it on the snapshot. So because it is in the snapshot, it is unfortunately a little bit buggy. Sometimes you may need to restart your game in order for this to work, but hopefully by the time this update actually comes out, that it is working smoothly. Anyways, now that you have your friend added, let's begin hosting our world and inviting your friends. Please select on single player, select on create new world. Then you can go ahead and put it to survival or creative. It's 100% up to you, or you can load into a pre-existing world that you already have. You don't necessarily need to make a new one, but for this video, I decided to just make a new one. Anyways, you want to press on escape, select over here where it says multiplayer, and where it says network, be sure to select on online. Then select over here where it says allow changes, and now all you need to do is you need to go ahead and select on the friends button one more time. And then your friends who are online are going to appear towards the top. So because none of my friends are online, no one appears. But basically, once you see your friends online, you're able to go ahead and invite them. And all they need to do is they need to accept the invite, which should pop up on their screen. And then you guys are able to go ahead and play together. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.